Ever wondered if you can withdraw your hard-earned crypto from a Beam wallet? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those new to the Beam ecosystem. Let's dive right in and clear the air. Understanding Beam Wallet. Before we delve into withdrawals, let's quickly recap what a Beam wallet is. Essentially, it's a digital wallet designed to store and manage Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. It's like a digital safe, but for your crypto. The withdrawal process. Now, the million-dollar question: can you withdraw your Beam from your wallet? The short answer is yes. Here's a simplified breakdown of the withdrawal process. Choose a destination wallet. You'll need to identify where you want to send your Beam. This could be another cryptocurrency exchange or another Beam wallet. Ensure the destination wallet address is correct to avoid any mishaps. Initiate the withdrawal. Open your Beam wallet app or web interface. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Enter the destination wallet address. Specify the amount of Beam you want to withdraw. Double-check all the details to prevent errors. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details one last time. Confirm the withdrawal. Your Beam will be on its way to the designated wallet. Key considerations for smooth withdrawals. Network fees. Like any other cryptocurrency transaction, there are network fees associated with Beam withdrawals. These fees vary depending on network congestion. It's essential to factor in these fees when planning your withdrawal. Security. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency. Use strong, unique passwords for your Beam wallet. Be cautious of phishing attacks and scams. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Wallet compatibility. Ensure that the destination wallet you choose is compatible with Beam. Some wallets may have specific requirements or limitations for receiving Beam. Common issues and troubleshooting. While Beam withdrawals are generally straightforward, you might encounter some common issues. Slow transaction confirmation. Network congestion can sometimes lead to slower transaction confirmations. Be patient and monitor the status of your withdrawal. Incorrect wallet address. Double-check the destination wallet address to avoid irreversible losses. If you've made a mistake, you may need to seek assistance from the Beam community or support team. Withdrawing Beam from your wallet is a relatively simple process. By following the steps outlined above and keeping security in mind, you can seamlessly transfer your Beam to wherever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.